Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start inside Minecraft's menu, open Options, then Video Settings, and focus on brightness first. You change brightness because it directly controls in-game light levels. This is faster than reinstalling mods. Once done, scan gamma and smooth lighting. These affect contrast and shadow detail. Make sure to note active resource packs or shaders before adjusting, since they override defaults. You want the game readable and balanced, so tweak brightness up or down in small steps. Observe how environments react as you proceed. Next, you modify visual modifiers to refine the effect. Move the brightness slider toward 100% for daytime clarity, or to 50% if you prefer default contrast. This addresses most visibility complaints. If you need finer control, open Options. TXD and change gamma. 1, 0 is default 5, 0 brightens dramatically. Once done, adjust or temporarily disable shaders and resource packs because they can darken scenes. This explains why brightness alone sometimes fails. Take incremental steps and finish by applying and validating changes. Save settings, then restart Minecraft so the engine reinitializes lighting. If things still look wrong, inspect Options. TXD and reset brightness and gamma to defaults, then reapply values. Corrupted files or conflicting mods often cause persistent darkness. Make sure your GPU drivers are current because outdated drivers can misrender lighting. If performance is tied to darkness, lower render distance or disable fancy graphics temporarily. One key troubleshooting tip: if shaders are the culprit, disable them first. Most brightness issues
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.